Hi viewers, welcome to ChemEasy. In this video, let us discuss about the synthesis, reactions and medicinal uses of thiazole. Thiazole is one of the 5-membered ring heterocyclic compound containing two different heteroatom in its structure. Before watching video, subscribe ChemEasy to learn chemistry easily. First, let us see some of the methods which can be used to synthesize thiazole. In first method, thiazole can be synthesized by the interaction of thioamides and alpha-halocarbonyl compounds. For example, here thioacetamide is one of the thioamide and chloroacetone is alpha-halocarbonyl compound. Interaction between these two compound produces 2,4 dimethyl thiazole. In another method, thiazole can be synthesized by the interaction of chloroacetaldehyde and thioformamide. You can see the reaction here. Chloroacetaldehyde interacts with thioformamide, which produces thiazole. We can prepare thiazole by the interaction of thiourea and alpha-halocarbonyl compounds. For example, in this method, interaction between chloroacetaldehyde and thiourea produces 2-aminothiazole initially. This compound undergoes diazotization and produces thiazole diazonium chloride, which on boiling with ethanol finally produces thiazole. And in the last method, we can prepare two mercaptothiazoles from ammonium thiocarbamate and alpha-halocarbonyl compounds, which is shown in the reaction. This is ammonium thiocarbamate with alpha-halocarbonyl compounds produces two mercaptothiazoles. Here let us see the characteristic reactions of thiazole. Before going to the reactions, note down the numbering for the thiazole nucleus. In this thiazole ring, position 1 is for the place where the sulfur atom is present, and here position 2, position 3, 4th position and 5th position. In case of electrophilic substitution reaction of thiazole, the reactivity is intermediate between pyridine and thiophene, but thiazole is less reactive than imidazole, and the electrophilic attack on thiazole ring is preferably takes place at position 5. In acid media, the attack usually takes place through the formation of thiazolium cation. Let us see the nitration reaction of thiazole. Under vigorous condition, thiazole undergoes nitration with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. You can see the reaction here. Thiazole with concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Under vigorous condition, the 5th position is nitrated and produces 5-nitrothiazole. As like nitration, thiazole can be sulfonated under vigorous condition by using sulfuric acid and oleum. In this reaction, the 5th position is sulfonated and gives thiazole 5-sulfonic acid. 2-chlorothiazole can be obtained by chlorination of 2-thiazolone. For example, 2-thiazolone when chlorinated with phosphorus pentachloride produces 2-chlorothiazole. Thiazole itself resistant to bromination. However, if any electron donating groups are present on thiazole ring, then the bromination is achieved. For example, this 2-hydroxythiazole undergoes bromination with bromine in chloroform and gives 5-bromo-2-hydroxythiazole. And the thiazole can be brominated directly in the gas phase. As shown in this reaction, thiazole when undergoes bromination in the gas phase produces 2-bromothiazole. So here the second position of thiazole is brominated. Next one is hydrogenation reaction. Thiazole is resistant to hydrogenation, but some substituted thiazoles undergoes ring cleavage by means of a reducing agent sodium and ethanol. For example, 4-methyl 5-phenylthiazole with sodium in ethanol undergoes ring cleavage. Next, diazotization. Thiazole reacts with sodamide to form 2-aminothiazole. This compound undergoes diazotization. As shown in this reaction, thiazole with sodamide produces 2-aminothiazole. This 2-aminothiazole on diazotization produces thiazolyl diazonium chloride. 2-methylthiazole condenses readily with benzaldehyde in the presence of alkali and produces 2,2-phenylvinylthiazole. And the next reaction is reaction of thiazole with nucleophiles. Thiazole is susceptible for nucleophilic attack at position 2. For example, reaction of thiazole with potassium amide in liquid ammonia gives 2-aminothiazole. When thiazole reacts with N-alkyl lithium, for example N-butyl lithium, the second position of thiazole ring is metallated and gives thiazole to lithium. Then in case of oxidation and reduction reaction, thiazole ring is resistant to oxidation by nitric acid, but the ring is opened by potassium permanganate. And also the thiazole ring is resistant to the action of many reducing agents, but the Raney nickel can be used for desulfurization reaction, which is shown in the reaction 4-phenylthiazole with Raney nickel undergoes desulfurization and produces 1-phenylethylamine. There are many medicinal compounds which consists of thiazole ring in its structure. Let us see some examples along with its uses. First example is troglitazone. You can see the troglitazone structure here, in which here the reduced form of thiazole ring is present. This drug is used to treat non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, that is type 2 diabetes, along with diet and exercise and insulin, a sulfonylurea or metformin if necessary. This is the structure of rosiglitazone. In this also the reduced form of thiazole ring is present here. This rosiglitazone is indicated as an adjunct to diet and exercise to maintain glycemic control in type 2 diabetes. And another example is pioglitazone. Pioglitazone is used adjunctively with diet and exercise to normalize glycemic levels in adults with type 2 diabetes mellitus. Pioglitazone structure is given here, in which the thiazole nucleus is present here. This is the structure of famotidine with thiazole nucleus in its structure. Famotidine is a histamine H2 receptor antagonist used to treat duodenal ulcers, benign gastric ulcers, gastroesophageal reflux disease, and Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. And another simple example is sulfathiazole. In sulfathiazole structure, you can find thiazole nucleus here. This drug is effective against a wide range of gram-positive and gram-negative pathogenic microorganisms. This is the structure of thialyl sulfathiazole, in which thiazole ring is present here. Allyl sulfathiazole is a broad-spectrum antimicrobial agent. It is used in the treatment of dysentery, colitis, and gastroenteritis. Next example is meloxicam. This drug is an NSAID, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug used to treat osteoarthritis in adults, rheumatoid arthritis in adults, and juvenile rheumatoid arthritis in pediatrics. Here the structure of meloxicam is given, in which the thiazole nucleus is present here. And the last example is thiabendazole. This is a simple structure of thiabendazole, which consists of thiazole nucleus here. Thiabendazole is an anthelmintic medication. It prevents worms from growing or multiplying in the body. And the thiabendazole is used to treat infections caused by worms such as threadworm.